Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you the things that you have to do after you sign up in Onlinejobs.ph. First, let's go to the website. Just type in Onlinejobs.ph on your computer and you will be routed to the main page where you can see sign up if you don't have any account yet, or you can simply log in your existing account. I already created my account a couple of days ago and I'm going to share with you my profile. I have here my name, my niche. I'm applying as a general virtual assistant and my ID proof, which is 50 score. So that will be the highlight of our video for today. I'm going to share with you what ID proof is all about. The ID proof is basically about providing lots of information about you to help determine your identity. ID proof does not indicate your skill level. ID proof scores are from 0 to 99, with 99 being the best. It is calculated based on dozen of data points. When I created my account, I came from 0 ID proof and now I have 50 points already. So if you want to get in-depth definition of ID proof, you can simply click on read more. The hyperlink will route you to another page. The question now is, how did I get the 50 points ID proof? What I did is I click on verification and first I verified my phone number. I got 25 points for that and I submitted my postal ID. I got another 25 points. So I have now 50 points in total. The address verification is still in progress, so I'm still waiting for the result. Now that I have 50 points, I was able to apply already for the job that I want. And if you want to apply, you can click on job boards. You will be routed to this page and you will see the latest job post. And let's try this one, virtual assistant, and click on see more. First thing that you will notice is the ID proof, which is 50 points. And below that, you can read the job description of the job post that you are applying for. And since I have enough points, I can apply for this job. And for the subject line, I can simply copy the virtual assistant and paste it in subject. For the message, that is where you put your cover letter. And after that, you can send your email already. Now let's take a look at some other jobs that require more points. Let's check this one. There you go. The ID proof is 70. Unfortunately, I'm not qualified to apply since my score is below. And as you can see, I don't have any options here to submit my application. Now let's see some other jobs below 50 score. Let's see this one, community growth specialist. Let's check some other post. Let's see this one. The ID proof is only 30 and I'm qualified to apply for the job. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good one.